Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, a box of possibilities. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a microwave oven safe container containing a bunch of Heroclix, but not just any Marvel or DC Heroclix as always, but different properties that have the Oreo dials. Okay, so I got this, by the way, from Conrad. Okay, so he's one of the OG players in the Philippines for Heroclix and other click stuff. Okay, and he lent some of the items, or rather a lot of the items, to me so that I can make a video out of it. So shout out Conrad. So these three items though are from my own collection. So we have here Yusuf Tazim, Ring Rate, and Mario Auditore. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing those names right. So Yusuf Yazim, the Ring Rate. I don't know if this is the Ring Rate. The picture is different from the sculpt. And we have Mario Auditor. Okay. So let's take a look at the ones that are carded first before we go to the rest of the container. This one is from Heroclix Lord of the Rings set. Okay, so aside from DC and Marvel, there are other properties that has been clicks also. So including Lord of the Rings. So Ring Rates, Forces of Sauron, Mystical, Nazgul, Ring Bearer, Ruler, and Warrior keywords. Special damage, you cannot kill them. Special defense rather. Ring Rate can use invulnerability. Modified defense values of adjacent characters with the Nazgul keyword by the number of action tokens on Ring Rate. Okay, so you can see names and titles: unknowns, background, long ago 9 kings of men were given rings of great power by Sauron, rings that slowly corrupted them until all that remained were wraiths in thrall to the Dark Lord. Even after Sauron's fall, they awaited his command. In the third age of the Nazgul were unleashed in search of Frodo Baggins and the greatest ring of them all, the One Ring. Okay, it's quite interesting to know that there are other properties. Okay, aside from DC and Marvel. Unfortunately, I was not yet playing Heroclix when all of these other properties came out. I think the only one I got to interact with was the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles property. Okay, so we had created a separate video for that. If you want to watch that, search the channel. Okay, so we also have here the next two. These two are from the same set. I think this might be an Assassin's Creed set. Okay, so please tell me in the comments if I'm correct. Okay, so let's start with Mario Auditor. Okay, point value 70. Assassin, politician, soldier. He looks like a villain. And a special damage power, Codex of Altair. Once per turn, Mario Auditore may use either Outwit or Perplex. When he uses Perplex, if he has 2 action tokens, he may modify an opposing character's combat value other than damage -2. And there's a team ability for assassins. Characters with this team ability can use stealth. When a close combat attack by an opposing character misses this character and the attack roll is doubles, you may place an action token on this character and deal the attacker 1 damage. Okay, so interesting. They haven't utilized that team ability in recent memory. Yusuf Tazim looks like an assassin. So Bomb Master. Yusuf Tazim can use any grenade type that can be used by a friendly character. Each time he or an adjacent friendly character makes an attack roll and hits, and the result is doubles, add one grenade token to the grenade pool. So I'm not so sure how that works. He has the team ability of assassins as well. Okay, so there is a throw grenade here, a frag, and a flashbang type of grenade. So it's too long, so I'm just gonna show it in video. You can pause the video if you want to know more about that. So as I said, very unique take on the click system. Okay, so I hope they bring back some of these properties in the future. Let's go with the container. Okay, so we have here, ooh, what's this one? I don't know what set this is. Conrad was telling me the names of the set, but I totally forgot. This is the Motorized Patriot. Okay. So I think this is like, okay, so it's a robot, most likely of Washington, okay, with a chain gun, rail gun. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so unfortunately, he was not able to lend me the cards, so we're just gonna admire the sculpt. Okay. Let's take a look at the others. This one is from Mech Warrior, Sand Cobra. Okay. Have you tried playing Mech Warrior? So they are mechanical robots, okay, on clicks, and aside from the dial, there's this additional dial. Okay, I don't know what that does. Okay, but the sculpt is just amazing. Okay, scale wise, much bigger than Heroclix. Okay, we also have these robots and kaiju. This will be from what set, I wonder? Is it the same? They have the same, I think. Okay. Coyote Tango is the robot, and the kaiju is Raiju. Okay. Okay. I think this was the film. I forgot the name of the film. It's on the tip of my tongue. But you can share it in the comments if you're familiar with it. Okay. I'm sure Conrad will be mad at me because he was telling me the names of all of these properties and I just forgot about it. Okay. So we had from the Lord of the Rings also, Gollum. Okay. My precious. Okay. Looks like a toad sculpt for X-Men. Is it removable? Nope. Okay. So we have Gollum. Okay, this one is from Spartan Magnum Pistols. Again, I forgot about the property. Halo, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, I got it. I remembered it. Halo. So we have this one is a bit interesting. According to Conrad, this is Mage Knight Heroclix. So meaning this is a switch base figure, switch click. Okay, so one is for Mage Knight and the other one is for this is for Mage Knight because it has the line of sight. So you can use the same figure but have a different dial, I guess. Or you can use it as a Heroclix figure with this dial. Okay, so I played Mage Knight before. Mage Knight is like Heroclix but with medieval characters, dragons, robots, dwarves, elves. Okay, this looks like Norowa's looks like an elf warrior, elven warrior. Okay. Ah, I remember now. This is Pacific Rim. Okay. So I remember Pacific Rim. So let's see this one. Tickler. Is it Hellboy? Set? Okay. But this looks amazing. Okay. A bit shiny. Okay, but the scale is very big. Okay. Tickler. Veteran. And then we have last two. We have from Street Fighter Ken Hadouken. Okay. Oh, that's good, huh? 11 with RCE. So 12-4 attack. 12 attack for damage. 5 range. Not so bad. This can have a legacy perhaps. And then this one is Witchblade. Okay, from Indie Set. So the Femme Fatale Witchblade. So very interesting, and again, glad to see the diversity of the Heroclix full spectrum before. Okay, but nowadays we're stuck with Marvel and DC so far, although there are efforts like Scooby-Doo, Space Ghost, and others. But I hope the WizKids are able to get back some of these properties. I'd like to see at least the Lord of the Rings, perhaps Street Fighter, and indie sets get the Heroclix modern treatment. So share your thoughts, guys, in the comments. Which of these properties you like to see make a return of the comeback in clicks. And until next time, bye-bye!